Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, today we have something good to drink. We have VineOh. Yoo-hoo! It has arrived. This is their fall winter box. I'm not real sure if they do seasonal. I know it comes out every 3 months. I know last quarter when we got it, it didn't seem very fall to me, so I'm not sure what we're going to have in here. But if you're interested in VineOh, it is $69.90 a quarter, and you can receive 2 to 3 bottles of wine. It comes with 2, but a lot of times they'll have like a special where you can get a 3rd bottle for life with your subscription, and that's what I have done. And I will have a code down in the description if you want to save a little bit on your order if you're interested in this box. Now they do pack it up really well, and they always send us a packing slip. And on top here we have our goodies, and our goodies are always packed in a separate box. With VineOh, you get about 5 items to go with your wine. So it's like a lifestyle wine box. It's a lot of fun, and usually we'll get lifestyle items, maybe a piece of jewelry. We might get some type of skincare or makeup, and some other surprises. We just have to wait and see. So we'll get in here in just a minute. Let's see what kind of wine they sent us this month. I always get red wine, but you can have choices of a mix, red wines or white wines. And I'm not sure if they have a rosé section or not, but those are the options. They always package it up in this nice carton. And before I move on any further, I know I said hello to everybody, but did I welcome you? I would like to welcome all my subscribers. I really appreciate you. We are over 1,000, and yes, I am going to have a celebration. It'll probably be after the holidays. I am just swamped with not only boxes, but also Thanksgiving. So we have things we have to do here in order to prepare for the holiday, and I wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. Now inside here we have Night Vine 2020. This is a California Pinot Noir, and this is very good. I've had it before, so that's my first bottle of wine. And like I said, it's red, and they're all going to be reds. And they package them up in these nice egg cartons. That's the best way to describe this, and it's very, very thick quality. It protects the wine. Our next one is the Tines Merlot, and this is also very good. I really enjoy it. And our last one is Speechless. This might be a new one. This one is a 2018 California red wine blend. And sometimes life leaves you speechless in the best way, whatever it is, whether it was a look or a gesture or maybe just the right words that spoke right to your heart. The effect can be profound. That's what inspired this wine. So delicious, unexpected, it left us speechless. Speechless red wine is a blend that holds flavors of black cherry, boysenberry jam, mild oakiness, cedar, medium body. It's got cassis, black cherry, with integrated oak tannins. So it sounds really good. And it says a faint echo of black tea and sweet tannins on the finish. So that sounds very nice. I think I'll like that. I do enjoy red wines. And of course your Pinot Noir is a night vine perfect for the nights that require reflection and rejuvenation. Night Vine Pinot Noir is from California's finest vineyards, delivers aromas of cranberry, cola, raspberry, and baked spice. Tasting notes are vibrant of red cherries, pomegranate, and toasty oak. And yes, this one's very good. I've had it several times. And I've also had the Tines. And the Tine Merlot is a well-balanced and versatile, pleasant notes of dried figs, black currants, and cinnamon. So those are our high notes, and this is very good too. I have not been disappointed with their wine, so if you're interested in getting a wine subscription for wines that have good wines, I would recommend this. So now we're down to the goodie part, and like I said, or maybe I didn't say, these bottles of wine are $24.99 each. So you just round it off at $25, that's $75. It's already paid for my box. And as I told you, it's $69.95 plus a $2.99 signing fee. Your shipping's free, but you do have to do a signature to receive alcohol in your state, and not all states can receive alcohol, so you would need to go to their site to see if it's something that can be delivered to you. And the other thing they charge, of course, is tax, but it is free shipping. Now let's get to the goodies. Back to the VineOh box. This is the best part. Well, it's the second best part. If you like wines like I do, then of course the wine's going to be good. This says, "Oh for me," and that's what's special about this. You know, you get a little special something for yourself, and there's a little sneaky peek. We got our product card on top there, and it's VineOh Oh Ho Ho box. So this would be the Christmas box. Sit back, relax, and unwind. And it says, "Let it snow, Mad Libs." And on the back, it's got some little Mad Libs that you can fill in the blank. And that's kind of cute. I don't know that they've ever done that before. And in this one, we do have the 5 items. And the first item that I'm seeing is from Swig, and it's a cocktail club mug. And that is right here. And this is a copper tone. I like it. It has a handle. And my puppies are playing with their toys, so you'll hear a little squeaking in the background. But we have, and a little barking, and we have the Cocktail Club mug. This is really cute. It's cold up to 9 hours and hot up to 3 hours. And like I said, it is a Swig. Let's see what it has to say. Swig Life stainless steel drinkware features triple insulated technology for premium temperature retention and a non-slip silicone base. The hammered texture is one-of-a-kind combination insulated stainless steel travel mug mixed with the feel of a cocktail mug. Swigs make the perfect gift and are great and eco-friendly. Oh yes. And I don't know that they give us values. Let me look over here. Yes, they do. This has a value of $34. So this is like everything I'm going to get in this box is going to be like a bonus and free. So that is a great start. I love that. And then the next item that we have is our snack, and it's a Chunk Nibbles sweet and salty peppermint, and that is right here. And this says that it's created from the magic of Grandma's recipe. These peppermint chunk nibbles are delicious holiday spirit of nostalgia, 3rd generation family recipe. They're sweet and salty and a hint of mint to put you in the holiday spirit. These treats will have your hand wandering back to the bag looking for the next bite, and I'm sure that's true. And that will have a value of $3. So they're pretty good on their prices. That's not overinflated at all. I would say that would be normal. That is the ingredients list and calories if you need to know that information. I always look to see if it's something that I could eat, and I'm not sure that I can. It may have some flavors in there that I cannot eat. So I'm not going to give it a try. I may let my husband have this reluctantly, but that's just the way it goes for me. But that is a nice little treat. Our next little item that we have in here is a favorite, a sponge jelly, and this is a winter rose, it looks like. Smells like a rose. Maybe not just like a rose. Since it says winter rose, it's going to have other notes in there. And it is a $16 value. Now we do know that we can get these for less, like with FabFitFun and BoxyCharm. So, you know, the $16 is the regular retail price, and it smells really good. So I do like it, and I will use it. And it has a nice scent, and this is perfectly packaged and designed sponge jelly. Unique body wash infused buffers change instantly underwater as you squeeze them, from a sensual exfoliating massage texture to as soft as silk. The built-in body wash is infused and extracts Yuza, Edelweiss, and Vetiver root to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. Well, maybe that's why I couldn't smell rose, because it doesn't really say that it has rose. It has those other scents that I told you about. Very interesting. So that is still a win. I still like it. All right, guys, our next item is a $20 value, and it is a pair of stud ruby earrings by Violet and Brooks. Red studs, it says. Oh, dazzling. These vibrant, versatile, easy-to-wear earrings from Velvet and Brooks are gold-plated and brass, hyperallergenic, and made with a lead-free post, making them the perfect stud to wear every day. Inspired by the garnet gemstone, these oval red crystal studs will add a dash of color to any outfit this holiday season, and I'd say that's true. In January, it's garnet. So if that's your birthstone, that'd be perfect. So hey, that's another good deal. And our last item is a Cellini, New York. It has a $25 value, and it is a cozy winter scarf. And they've got it wrapped up here. Let's pull it out of here. Still on the hanger, and it is soft. And there's the logos. It's a Umo Lorenza. Let's take a better look at this. It looks to be just black and white. I thought maybe it was going to have a little red or something in it for the holiday. But no, it's just a black and white wrap. Just like that, we're all wrapped up and ready to go for those cool afternoons when you just want to have a little warmth around your neck. This would be perfect. So, I like it. What do y'all think? Might have it a little bit too tight there, but it's really nice, and it does have like the fringe on the ends, and it'll go with a lot of outfits, and especially if you like to wear black and white, it'd be perfect for that. So guys, what do you think? Do you have a favorite item in this box? Let me see. What do I feel like is my favorite item? Well, I like the scarf that I've got on, and I like the earrings, and I like my little Swiggy cup. So I'm going to say the Swiggy cup and my scarf are my favorite things in this box. This also has like a rubber holder on there so that it's not sliding and gliding around. I really like that, and I forgot to show that feature. But that's very nice. And of course you can push it back to get your drink and put it back to keep it hot. So very nice. Love this box. This was a great box that they had this month, and it does look a little bit more Christmassy, and I liked everything that was in it. So let me know what your favorite is. And guys, be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways. I've got the Advent Calendar series out there that's going to end November 30th. There's 14 giveaways in that total, 13 videos. There is a playlist, and I also have a couple of collaborations out there, and the Dollar Tree train is coming up soon on Sunday the 27th. So be sure and check all that out. As for today, that's all I have. I hope you enjoyed my VineOh, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.